What's up, you guys? So basically, what I'm gonna be doing here, I'm just gonna be sitting here waiting until I get to 1,000 subscribers. I seen what this do. I seen a record on YouTube that says 100. I mean, first if I reach 1,000 subscribers just in one day. So basically, I'm just gonna be sitting here on this phone just playing. All right. And always keep a lookout because I'm telling you, they are everywhere. 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 Everybody wants to get their hands on Zaxby's Cajun Club sandwich with a blackened chicken fillet, American cheese, and smoky bacon. The Cajun Club sandwich meal and black and blue salad, only at Zaxby's. And don't miss Men in Black International, only in theaters. 1,000 subs.
You're getting an all-new RAV4 and a great deal.
That was easier than finding Bigfoot. Oh.
Wow, that was easier than meeting the man of my dreams. We're getting bread, right? And leather seats.
That was easier than leg day. How did you find pants?
The Toyota Big One sales event. Super deals. Easier than easy. Lease a new 2019
right.
Toyota Highlander LE for just $239 a month for 36 months. Toyota, let's go places.
What lies inside all of us is more than data. It's life. What's flowing through America's veins is its diversity. We ask for 1 million individuals to come forward and stand on this landmark in history. All of us are different, and it's those very differences that will lead to answers for generations to come.
My mom battled breast cancer when I was young. My breast cancer research tag is for her and for everyone who has battled breast cancer.
I got my tag for myself, several family members, and everyone who has ever battled breast cancer.
100% of proceeds received by
Just
the
please
BCR
subscribe.
fund research
Please.
in Alabama.
With research, we will find a cure for breast cancer. The Breast Cancer Research Foundation of Alabama, funding research, saving lives.
Recovery efforts are underway following two back-to-back earthquakes in Southern California. A 6.4 magnitude quake hitting near Ridgecrest on Thursday. The next day, a 7.1 earthquake happened in the same area. Ridgecrest police providing an update today on cleanup efforts.
All of our roads and concrete, such as sidewalks, gutters, have been inspected, and all of our roads are in good condition, and you can travel upon all of them.
California Governor Gavin Newsom declaring a state of emergency in Kern County following those earthquakes. Meanwhile, the search of a black zone in South Florida ends with almost 24 people injured, but no fatalities. Authorities are still investigating whether or not that explosion was caused by a gas leak. That shopping center in Plantation, Florida remains closed. The good news tonight is that none of those injuries are even life-threatening. Florida-based billionaire Jeffrey Epstein is in a New York jail after being arrested on new charges related to sex trafficking crimes that involve minors. Law enforcement sources tell CNN the alleged crimes happened in both New York and Florida between 2002 and 2005. Now, back in 2008, Epstein pleaded guilty to similar charges and served 13 months in jail, avoiding more serious federal charges. Epstein is expected back in federal court tomorrow. The jet ski rented by two Americans missing in Barbados has been found off the coast of Guadeloupe. A French Navy ship recovering that jet ski with the same registration number used by the couple who went missing back on June 24th. French authorities say there was no sign of Oscar Suarez or Magdalena Devil.
And now, your first alert weather with WPRC Fox 6 meteorologist Wes Wyatt.
Well, tonight we have a first alert for possible tropical development this week. That's going to be one of the next big things and the big story that we're talking about. And it's actually the system. You see all these scattered storms that we've been dealing with here across Alabama. This same disturbance, well, it settles to the south over the next couple of days, and that's when it could get very interesting here just off the Gulf Coast. About a 50% chance of development of tropical depression. It's certainly possible by Wednesday or Thursday, so we need to watch that closely. And again, look at some of the model data is kind of interesting. The model that we look at here, I just want to show you this because
been 5 minutes. Let's see.
We're seeing more of a westerly track with this particular model that suggested maybe some better strengthening and perhaps look at it moving in right there in Louisiana. Now this is late week. I just want to show you what time frame we're talking about. This is would impact next weekend. Well, if you look at some of the other models, which kind of took this thing more to the east, now kind of coming in line with taking it to the west. So what does this mean? Bottom line here, if you have a beach trip plan, this potential is there for some dangerous rip currents, a lot of rainfall this week, and some stormy weather. And then here at home, perhaps a big increase in rain chances for us as we move into next weekend. So again, we'll be watching that closely. Plenty of updates on the First Alert Weather app, and we'll keep you posted over the next few days. In the meantime, a lot of rain, scattered storms out there today. It's raining 1 minute, the sun was out the next, but we still have some rain tonight. Let's get you into street level right here on First Alert Doppler. And we do have some rain. It looks like it's now crossed 459. It's now moving back in here into Shelby County as we get into street level here around Altadena and places like that, moving down towards Inverness. So over around the Colonnade 280, perhaps a little bit of wet weather there. And some showers across Walker County and stretching back to the north. A couple of heavier pockets of rain not far from Happleburg. Hamilton, maybe some of that rain reaching you, dropping in from north to south. But for the rest of tonight, you see the general trend get to 6 o'clock when you head out the door in the morning. We'll stop in right here. Temperatures in the 70s, 71 here in Anniston, Talladega, where we have a little bit of rain finally today, 71 in Centerville, and 73 for us here in Aliceville. How about tomorrow afternoon with those showers and storms? Well, notice here, not quite as much rain. Those rain chances back off. Again, that system kind of settles south of us. Maybe a few pop-ups across West Alabama. We'll watch this area. We'll need it there because look at that temperature in Tuscaloosa here, 93 degrees. It is going to be a hot afternoon on Monday. The next big thing of the week is probably going to be that heat that we're going to be talking about. And actually feels like temperatures 100 to 105 by Tuesday and Wednesday. Look at tomorrow afternoon, with 93 degrees. So rain chances backing off to around 20% for Monday. The winds northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. First alert 7-day forecast. And I know Fred talked about this heat early on today. You can see we're kind of sticking with that mid 90 degree range Tuesday and Wednesday, probably two of our hotter days of the week. We get to Thursday and Friday, and again, this is when we're kind of watching the Gulf of Mexico. I think along the Gulf Coast, there could be some impacts for us. It's more scattered showers and storms. Actually, over the weekend, if that system goes further to the west, we'll bring those rain chances up right now around 60% for Saturday and Sunday. Highs around 90 with overnight lows right around 73 degrees. And coming up in the next half an hour, we'll take a closer look at that projected heat index as we get to the middle of the week. You're going to want to get out there to start early this week. It's going to be a hot one. I'll see you back here in the next half hour.
Professional mobile home repair. If it's a mobile home, we do.
The best SUV brand now brings you the best clearance deals. Honda's 4th of July sales event is on. Save thousands with a clearance deal on a new Honda SUV, like the Adventure-ready CR-V, with room for all your gear and the latest technology. Now only $249 a month, or the 8-passenger Pilot, now with low 0.9% financing. Hurry, the clearance savings won't last. Don't miss your chance to have the best summer in the best SUV brand. See your Central Alabama Honda dealer today.
It's tender and flaky on the inside, extra crispy and crunchy on the outside. It's Captain D's new extra crispy seafood. Extra crispy shrimp, extra crispy seaside fillets, and more. It's that scrumptious crunch when the captain is gone. Captain D's.
Think you have an idea of who a USAA member is? You might be surprised. The fact is, every one of these people is a USAA member. Some served a short time, some enlisted decades ago, and some have family who served. If you, your spouse, or parent have ever served, you could be eligible for USAA's award-winning financial services. Start your membership with an insurance quote today.
Everyone loves a throwback, but I haven't worn that suit in a while.
All those shoes. Luckily, I still have them. Because the clothes that once gave you confidence can help someone get their career back on track. So throw back and donate at Men's Warehouse today.
Before severe weather strikes, we're on your side with the First Alert Storm Tracker. Weather experts driving inside the storm to give you the most accurate info, going the distance to keep you safe in the First Alert Storm Tracker, powered by Town & Country Ford.
Where to go and what to do in Birmingham, Alabama. Personalized just for you. Find your sweet spots at alabama.travel/sweet spot.
There are over 7 billion people living on this planet today. About 2% of the population are minors who don't have a parent or primary caregiver taking care of them. That's 153 million children without families. In Alabama, 6,000 children are in foster care. Close to 300 of these children desire or need a permanent family. Visit HeartGalleryAlabama.com today and find out how you can make a difference in a child's life.
To everyone who has gotten their breast cancer research tag, thank you. For everyone who hasn't, tag, you're it.
The Breast Cancer Research Foundation of Alabama. Funding research, saving lives. Thank you.
The internet, it used to be a luxury. Well, now it's a part of everyday life for many of us, but many Alabamians are still fighting to get it, especially at high speeds. On your side, investigator Josh Gant is looking into new numbers that show how many people are able to log on and what the state is doing to get more people connected.
Brendan Littleton knows the advantages of high-speed internet. He's a music teacher who doesn't always need to be in the classroom to teach.
With fast access to internet, I don't have to be physically present. I can be across the world, and you can pipe me in, and I can lead a class.
Through FaceTime, he teaches students.
But I can't do that on dial-up. I can't do that on DSL. I can't do that even with 50 megabyte download.
Littleton recently spoke with lawmakers about
Oh my gosh.
internet. More than 600,000 Alabamians are without access to broadband. Numbers from Broadband Now show